All right, what I've got here is cream cheese and Parmesan mashed sweet potatoes. And, well, just got that little, a little bit of kick from the Parmesan, from the cream cheese, but not overpowering the sweet potato. So you've got that great sweet potato taste in here, creamy. You've got a couple spices in there to bring out more flavor. Great, easy to make. Let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now. All right, to make our cream cheese and Parmesan mashed sweet potatoes, well, first of all, we've got the sweet potatoes, which here is about 2 pounds or 900 grams of sweet potatoes. Now, one of the things you'll notice, okay, these have been, I peeled them, I roughly peeled them. I leave a little bit of skin still there. You peel them, cut them up into half, 3/4 inch pieces, or 12 to 20 millimeters. One of the things you'll notice is that the minute they expose to air, they're going to go a little gray color in some places. Don't worry about that. They'll go away when they cook. Here are some of the other ingredients we've got. We've got a 1/4 cup of butter. We have 4 ounces or 110 grams of cream cheese. We've got 2 ounces, a little bit of pepper got on there, 2 ounces or 55 grams of Parmesan cheese grated, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of paprika powder. All right, so we've got the water, well salted water has been coming to a boil over here. So in goes the sweet potatoes. And gonna boil those for about 15 minutes. And then we come back here, mash them up, and get all this goodness mixed in there. So I'll see you in about 15 minutes. I'm going to see you just a little before that because we're going to start prepping up that butter. All right, see you soon. That's been going for just a little over 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to give them a little check. The fork test. So take a fork, stab it into one of them, and well, that's getting there. It's getting pretty good. So I want them to really be mashable, so I'm going to give them about another minute or two. But while that's happening, what I want to do, we want to melt that butter, because we don't want to be using the heat, using up all the heat of our sweet potatoes to melt the butter. If we melt it ahead of time, we're not going to rob heat. Also, it's going to absorb better. So let's get that butter melting. Medium-low heat. Low is safest. Medium-low, if we keep a good eye on it, we can get away with it without burning the butter. So I'm just going to keep mixing around in here. Break it up a bit, and it'll melt fast. All right, that butter's about melted, so I'm going to add the cream cheese and get that heated up and softened up and ready to go. Okay, let go. There we go. Okay, so we'll let that go for a little while. In the meantime, this is just about done. We're going to go drain these potatoes, and then we're ready to mash them. So, yeah, drain off the liquids and just put them right back into the pot. See you in a minute. All right, so I drained those potatoes into in the colander, and then just put it back in the pot, because we still got heat in that pot. We got heat in those potatoes. That's fantastic. We've now warmed up that cream cheese. That's looking good. See, it's a kind of half melted, not fully melted, but it kind of half melts in there. So that's good. So first, let's do a little bit of a early mashing here. Just gonna take our masher, squish down, squish down. Okay. Now we want to start adding in some liquids. So we'll put about half of that in there. And start mashing that in. Oh, that's going to be very, very nice. All right, we can also add in now the our garlic and our seasonings. we're going to add the Parmesan last. So let's get all these in here. Off to one side. A little mash around to mix it in. And let's get the rest of the liquids in here. Rest of the butter and the cream cheese. All right, now just keep mashing. Because now the pièce de résistance is, and I'll probably use that French totally wrong. I'm so bad at French. Is the Parmesan cheese. And we're just gonna stir that in. Now let's melt into there. All right, that is it. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful cream cheese and Parmesan mashed potatoes. All right, enjoy that. Great side dish with many different things. You know, fantastic with pork chops and stuff like that. Now that we're coming into autumn, this is a great dish. All right, enjoy it. Bye. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from Salad and Vegetable Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the featured tag called Recipes. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy cream cheese and Parmesan mashed sweet potatoes. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.